We are waiting for Brijesh to join. So good strength. Timekeeping is very good. Congratulations. And I request everybody to keep mute. And once Brijesh joins, then we will start. I think such a large audience we are meeting after a long time, maybe 4 months. I think you can use chat.
Yes, right, sir. We are
People
meeting.
can use chat.
Yeah, actually, we are meeting first time. Like I
After
can
COVID.
say on the after COVID as well as the remotely. In this way.
Oh, great. I think
Yeah,
this is
this is the
better than meeting together, I tell you.
yes, right. This is the first time in the Texan, if I'm not wrong. We are meeting remotely with the whole team, the whole entire Texan family.
Great, great, great. So please remember, COVID is not yet gone. It's still there. Corona is still waiting outside. So please take care. Life is very important because you can get a treatment, but there is a permanent damage also can take place into the lungs. Don't forget it. So don't take it easy that now Corona is defeated and we are over the Corona. It's not like that. So, you just keep in mind that safety is important. That's why Brijesh is allowing us to continue from home. That is a policy decision. Until unless it is required, specifically some of the people to work in the office, so social distance can be maintained. It's really very good. But at home also there is a threat. Outside also there is a threat. So get prepared yourself. Prevention is better than cure. It is absolute necessary that you have to look at everybody as a corona and you are meeting him. That should be the mental frame of mind. Yeah, Brijesh has come. Yeah, Anil, start.
Sure. Uh, Hello, Tim. Very good afternoon to all. Right. I hope you and your family members are safe and healthy. Uh, as you know, today we are meeting here to discuss the importance of the training and development in an organization, right? Uh, and I want to let you know that I am the responsible person who is taking care of this program. So I need to make sure we all are aligned with the end goals as well as every aspect of this training program, or I can say this program. Right? It is each one individual responsibility as well to achieve the end goal collaboratively. I can say. Right? For this moving forward with this meeting, I am handing over to the our CEO, Mr. Brijesh Kamani. So he will provide us their insights in this program, right? So please, sir, can you please move forward with this meeting?
Yeah, thank you,
Brijesh.
Anil, for setting it up, and good afternoon to everyone. Our agenda for the today's meeting, I will not take much time, as our agenda majorly is to understand that where we need to get ourselves trained, when the next generation or the next people to be trained, next new people that is onboarding to the team. As you guys know that we have a lot of new people joining, we have a lot of new people are onboarding, and we are expanding our technological divisions into different areas, right? So for that, everyone in the system needed to get their skills upgraded. And from last 7 years, if you see as a part of history in our organization, we had started it as an automotive product design and development company, and we are now more focusing on IoT side. And on the IoT front end, the technology is changing super fast. So everyone in the team needs to be, up, ready, and set to learn the new technology. Say, for example, if you start about the IT team about a year ago, nobody was aware about how the works and what the DevOps systems. So slowly and gradually, that team started understanding that what is the DevOps, and still we have a lot of dependency with very few people in the organization who are actually having the DevOps skills, right? So, for example, on IT, we are expanding more on a DevOps side. We are expanding with the blockchain side of technology. We are doing more work with AWS side, and more of a cloud technologies, CI/CD pipeline. So things are changing, and team need to get those all new technology learning as a part of their attitude. Same way on if I talk about the hardware, previously we were working with a lot of microcontroller based hardware board design, maybe 2 layer up to 4 layer, and now we are more designing a boards which is 8 to 10 layers of a board, and more of a high speed board design. For example, one of the project that we are doing, it has a complete processor based design with Qualcomm, and we are doing a lot of work with the Qualcomm based chipset in the near future. So on those things, as well as we are building a couple of our own products as well, like Texan Tejas is one of the solutions that we are building, which is having a IoT as well as edge gateway and computing system inbuilt into the system. And apart from that, we are building another solution called the Texan Astra, which is an industrial automation solution. So many things are upcoming as a part of technology. Hardware also we are transforming from one technology to another. Same way on a firmware as well. The team was previously working with most of firmwares on a controller side, and now slowly and gradually we are doing more work on a Linux side, on Android side, on AOSP, Android open source projects, and customization and porting and all those areas, right? So that area team need to build their expertise. Apart from that, slowly we are also started working with more of a multimedia side of technology. So camera and video streaming and WebRTC, GStreamers, all those multimedia things, including the driver development, V4L2, ALSA, Linux audio drivers, right? So those areas as well we have started slowly and gradually. So it is very important that team need to have a attitude to get this new technology learning, and also to teach new people they are joining in the system, and need to build an automated way where the people can automatically learn the things. And we need to build the knowledge center for that, and that's why we have taken an initiative to build TKC, Texan Knowledge Center. We have LMS, learning management system, to post the data, right? So that is a way ahead, and that's how we can all grow together. And there are very excellent plans. New businesses, new customers are onboarding, new technologies are coming. So there are excellent plan. So I'll complete my this initial notes here, and I'll hand over to Kishore, and he'll take the discussion forward. Thank you all.
Thank you, Brijesh, and good afternoon to everybody. welcome such a large number, 102. First time I am addressing all together as a CEO to everyone. Thank you very much for attending in time. I want a feedback. You are able to hear me? Type yes on the chat. If you are able to hear me properly, please type yes. That's good. So taking this forward from here, when I took over as a CEO, Brijesh and me working together rather since 3-4 years very closely. Then first, when we have done some of the improvement related points discussed, internal root cause analysis, we have done it and found that there are improvement required in some of the areas to better delivery, and that can be done through people. Now, 3 root cause analysis what we found, that was timely delivery and quality, and further root cause have been done, that why timely delivery get delayed and why the quality can require to be increased. So the root cause coming out is skill. So if we focus on a skill, most of our organization problems can be addressed. Now I wanted to make you understand that myself as an instrument engineer started, and my journey throughout I faced the changes, and I could survive, grow, and again I am as our CEO because I kept myself fit by changing myself to requirement at that point of time. So changing you cannot avoid, so you must ensure that you meet the expectations of what is the organizations in the market. So we will go through a 45 minutes presentation. We'll finish around 1 o'clock. So your whatever question you will have, you please put it on chat, and at the end we will discuss. And I will try to make you to understand the why training and development is important, and what individual has to do it, because it's not the organization to survive. Individuals will not be able to survive if they don't understand, accept and implement those changes what are required to sustain. So once you learn, you have to sharing process, you have to do it through an LMS for the next generation, and somebody else who must have done it, that you will learn it. It's a cycle. We learn from each other, that we should understand, and we should never forget. Nobody individual is an expert. We are collectively best. So I will start the presentation now. We will go forward the presentation mode. You are able to see presentation, Anil? Can you give me feedback?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay,
yes,
good.
we are able to see your screen.
Fine. So this presentation, yesterday I finished night 2 o'clock. So first learning is that if you want to improve your skill, you need to invest extra time, which is very important for all of us. That extra time, if you don't invest, you cannot learn extra. So I am starting with, can I do as an individual? Yes, you can. You means each one sitting in this webinar. Now when you see this, what you want to say, one fellow is asking what they're interested in, other fellow is listening, half listening or not listening. It means what? His interest is very limited. So means skill set, what is required, what is available, there is a gap. So that is called relevance. So you should remain relevant in the market, relevance in technology, relevance in skill. So this is a very, very powerful cartoon that makes you to think what is relevant to you currently and what need to be acquired. Now this is a very serious chart I am showing you. This graph indicates that exponential change is observed in last 2 years. I tell you, when I born, there was no telephone in my village, there was no light, there was no electricity. Everything took around 20 years time to stabilize, 25 years. Thereafter, I joined the company. Another 20 years, it took little growth in the whole system, transportation, road, buildings, lights, everything. Now, thereafter, within last 3 years or 4 years or 5 years, 10 years, the doubling of the technology or change in the technology is so fast that next morning you get up, you will find some new model. I will share with you, I booked my scooter. I got the date 45 years after I will get the scooter. That was in 1985, I booked the Bajaj scooter. 45 years, can you imagine? And now every week there are a couple of models coming into the market. Now you see the order of magnitude of change is coming. Every day few cars are coming. Now car business is get obsolete and going to be electrical vehicles is coming. So change is coming fast. Remember, not only there where you are working, that is much faster. So you are the trend setter actually, where you are in operation, traction in a business where technology is changing much faster. Now what you require where there is a will, there is a way. We collectively can come out from any difficult situations and grow. Now if you look at the last bowl where the fellow is sitting there enjoying the technology, what he knows about it, after some time he is not left out other than dying, because he cannot come out, neither he has a food to eat, means there is no business, company will die, people will die, altogether get finished. So there is a comfort trap called comfort zone. So don't get into a comfort zone. Keep yourself under always thought that what change is coming and what I need to change to meet the challenges. If you look at here, the change, you can adjust your sails, but not the wind. You said that I will change the technology growth, not possible. So never give up to a situation. If at the age of 64 I am telling you, I invest 1 hour daily reading, 1 hour without fail, and I get up in the morning for a yoga at 5:30, but still I invest. If you don't invest in yourself, before you get a single gray hair, you are obsolete, I am telling you. And my many friends have been deported from the organizations at the age of 45. So that in your business, it's highly relevant. Now, if you look at, I will tell you what makes the difference is. Organization skill requirement is this. Now, available skill you have this. Now, work skill is this. You know many things which is not required by the organizations, or at that point of time, a customer is not available. So, work skill is very limited. Now, what you can do? Tomorrow after your skill development, what we are talking now is that we have work skill has gone up, means we with the same skill has been increased to an extent where we can address more number of customer, different kind of customer, and we have more area to cover in terms of technology. So business can grow, so you can grow, as simple as that. Now this is very important, that in the age of information, ignorance is a choice. Now it is not that you don't know that you need to take the training, you need to develop your skill, but if you are ignorant, it is your choice heading towards career death. I am telling you, it's a very painful process that I have gone through in my previous company. We released some of the unskilled people because of various reasons. It is painful. You cannot sleep when you give them the pink slip in the hand. It's very difficult, I tell you. And you all are young generations. You have a lot of flexibility. You have a lot of understanding. Please focus on your skill development. You need this desire. This tree must be a seed, and seeds must be a one stem, and now one stem has broken this rock. So that is what spirit I expect from each one of you. Break all barriers of your belief system that you cannot do, your this is poor, that is poor, I don't have time. No chance. Skill development is the top priority, survival. Now again, this is a very interesting, old to be scrapped and new born, means new technology is to be learned. Now this old tree has gone, means old technology has gone and new technology has come. You have to adapt, you have to learn, and there will be a tree. The strong people make time to help others. So once you gain a knowledge, even if they are struggling, means you are struggling with their own problems, you support others. So helping others is very important. Same way, seeking help is also a quality, I tell you. Success consists of going from failure to failure without loss of enthusiasm. Sometimes what happens, we give up. We give up because there is not rest tomorrow, but it comes slowly. Slowly you gain the weight, slowly your blood pressure will go up, slowly blood pressure pills, 1 pill, 2 pills, then there is a diabetes, and then you are not able to see, eye will go bad, throat will go bad, your memory will get damaged, many things will happen. But once you start that I want to acquire XYZ skill, I will not sleep more than 6 hours or 4 hours. Within 15 days, I will acquire that particular skill. That spirit is required. So mentally you will feel, I'll leave it today, I will do it. Or I will fail, I could not understand. Go to somebody else. But don't give up. Now when you say somebody is success, now somebody says, Bridges, take a specific case. Everybody will go to Bridges because he is a success in technology and he is an entrepreneur. But have you seen at the bottom what the problems, what the solutions, how he could get persistent approach? He must have seen failures, sacrifice. Day he is with us, night he is with the Americans. Disappointment must have come. He must be disciplined, must be hard work, dedication. What people don't see is what is happening inside. I can see myself that I have reached to the CEO level. How difficult it is. People will say, oh, Kishore is doing fantastically well. But you don't know what is the pain I have faced in my leg. So it's very important that you must see at the bottom and ensure that you get ready to do this, then you will get success. Even Mahatma Gandhi used to say, without action you are not going anywhere. He was the most action-oriented person. I tell you, I have never seen that person without telephone, without no communications. He made millions of people together and nobody has done the violation. Just imagine, without aggressions, keeping people and say, okay, let's British do the lathi charge, no issue. They will get tired. So that is the one learning, that never give knee-jerk reactions. Keep responding. He kept responding. Now, who wants change? 100%. Who wants to change? 0. One is effortless, another is effort. We want that who want to change, everybody says, must raise hands and feel great about change. Once you experience the change, like I give you an example, once if you are suppose a heavy weight and if you reduce the weight, what a change you will enjoy. But it's difficult, but not impossible. So pleasure always comes after you go through a serious exercise of whatever kind it is. Now this is a very interesting for all of us, that seeking help is a quality, I tell you. It's not a negative quality. If you look at here, our T lab and management is with the 2 wheels. Now other team members are running with great difficulty with the square wheels cart they are pushing. And that fellow says, please take training, develop your skill so you can run faster, better. But they said, no thanks, we are too busy. Do you agree, no? This statement is coming. This statement is coming from most of the people. And sometimes with the leaders, my team is busy. But they are busy in this, the square wheel. that you should understand. You are not able to see, but I am able to see. And why I am able to see, I will tell you. So what is the difference between your skill and my skill? I will come back. Now what you need, great things never come from a comfort zone. Remember, change your attitude and habit. Many things will get changed around you. Slowly will get changed. You enjoy your life. You get a control on your seat, control your communication, control your with your customer. Customer will happy, will appreciate. So minimum start with 7 good quality habits to improve your life forever is check your to-do list first thing in the morning. Have 10 minutes of introspection and evaluation of yourself. Take a break, 30 minutes relaxation. Stay active, 15 minutes physical activities minimum. I am talking minimum. Get in touch with a friend. Plan the next day, make a list of daily, ideally 5 affirmations. So it will keep you positive. This you make your daily routine. Check your to-do list will reduce your pressure. Now I am not giving you lip service. I tell you my story. When I went to 2005 to SR, we have telephone exchange given where there was nothing inside. And we built first this, looks little better. Then within 4 years, we constructed a plan and this is my office. This office was 250 square feet office. It is the biggest in that complex. I believe Chetan and Bridges has seen this office. So you see there is a return. The best way to predict the future is to create. When I lost my excuse, I found my result. This used to change daily basis on my desk. So make sure that you get updated daily basis. Now this was the plant we created and these are the cleanliness of the plant. Because you people have not seen the plant, so then I thought that I should show you. These are the steam lines, these are the turbine. This is the additional plant constructed gas turbines, 110 megawatt into 220. This is 1000 megawatt plant. That's a coal-based plant. You can see the control room, glass, ACP buildings, and we spend around 7,000 crores. We return in 4 years 7,000 differential cost. Not for refinery. It was a new challenge we faced, but we could do it differently. This is a gas turbine which generates 120 megawatt. This plant is sufficient to supply complete Ahmedabad power supply. So nobody thought whether plant is in the garden and garden in the plant. Zero dusting. First target was zero dusting. First time right, all time right. Zero dusting means zero dusting. 100 gram coal you will not find, and we used to consume 7,000 tons of coal. That is 350 trucks daily equivalent. So this is the bunkers where the coal is stored. These are the bunkers. This is the very close view. This is the inside. This is electrical control room. This is the turbine, all granited floor. People started complaining that granite floor people have to run and people will fall. I said there is no valve which is required to be closed in emergency, all motorized and automatic. So nobody has to run. And why they have to run? There is no oil in the floor, zero leakage. This is a control room. So you can see this is a coal mill, where in other plants there are tons and tons coal lying on the floor. So your belief system, if you say that, suppose like give you an example, when you are doing testing, your wiring should be very clear, up to date. That is also a learning and training, I tell you. So when you are making your board, that is prototype, it should be perfect. When you are connecting the wiring, perfect. Soldering, perfect. Clamping, perfect. So the instructions should be perfect. So if you do that, you will save time, I tell you. So this is the entry to the coal fire boiler. It looks like a hotel, I tell you. This is the fly ash area. 500 ton of fly ash we are selling outside. Normally you cannot enter there. This area is so clean, people can take the lunch and dinner. These are the night view. It is worth viewing, visiting. Now, 12 years there is no disturbance in the plant. No accident since 2005. No motor burn. 3 years boiler consistent running. Zero leakage. Zero rotary breakdowns. Attrition was only 4%. And this was done from 2005 to 2020. Rather, you can say the whole installation was finished in 2012. Now, zero major fires, zero loss of production in refinery in account of power. One tripping in the refinery costs you 140 crores. Many awards accounts of best housekeeping. Employee engagement 93.25. Gemba Kaizen. Now, this is specifically applicable to everybody. Gemba Kaizen means I clean my place myself. So you can see here, this is me cleaning the ground. This is me with a broom I am cleaning. So leaders are requested that each one of you are leader or going to be leader. So you have to demonstrate yourself that you do everything physically with your hand. So people will follow. People don't understand lip service. People understand what you do. Like father said to son, you do this. While peg is in the hand, he will give the lecture that don't drink. Son will not believe. And he will go and drink next day in the pub. So I have driven the entire process on couple of my belief system that goal without time limits are only wishes. Have a timeline for all your goals. The remind here is that I have forwarded a mail day before yesterday. Last 1.5 months we are trying to close our goal sheet of Texan, that is business plan converted Brijesh goal sheet, and then drill down to everybody. Not encouraging result from the bottom line. People have to fill up the goal. They have to discuss with his boss, understand, put the numbers. Goals are always in numbers which you can measure. So I request everyone that within this week, spend some time. It's a 15-minute job, and this is a must. That will give you a direction in the life that where organization is going, and I am part of it. So we all are aligned with a Brijesh goal. So whatever efforts you put even 1 hour, that effort is going directly to the Brijesh goal sheet and company objective we are meeting. So planning, today's preparation determines tomorrow achievement. So if you plan today, you will achieve that result tomorrow, which include the skill development, which include your personality build-up, which include your customer management, anything. If you plan today, you will achieve tomorrow. I am sure. I am not doing lip service. I am telling you with my own experience. This is 5 P's, my favorite, that proper planning, prevent poor performance means if you plan things right in the life, your skill development, your career is assured. If you eat properly, your weight will not increase, your disease will not come, your sleep 4, 5, 6, 7 hours, whatever you want to take, deep sleep will come, exercise, you do it. So health management, so all the management properly you have to do it with a plan. Now take action. This makes you as a person different. Some people watch things happen. Like suppose there are 5 people. When I ask that we have a challenge, which is very difficult, and this is the challenge, who will take this challenge to execute? So some people wonder what happened, but some people make it happen. Go forward and get it done. When there is a problem or when there is a challenge in the organization, you should be the front warrior to volunteer yourself to take additional responsibility and accountability to make it happen. That will build your strength, your confidence in your career. I am telling you, and don't worry, some people say that management is not looking, somebody is not looking. It is not so. Every moment is being looked after by the management, and that also I was pursuing when I was young like you. but that is absolutely wrong. Individuals, attitude, technical quality, approach, everything is known to the management. So management never blind. Please don't underestimate. Now this is my most favorite, dare to soar. Your attitude almost always determine your altitude in the life. Change your attitude. If you find that you are not growing, you are not learning, you are feeling upset, change your attitude towards which you need to change. Change the belief system, attitude will get changed. And once attitude will get changed, slowly over a period of time, you will get into a culture of excellence. And once it goes into culture of excellence, nobody can stop. Company will grow, you will grow, and you only can grow when company is growing. Remember, see, the people who are associated with Infosys, people associated with Wipro, they have grown core people. So you are the core people today. So once we will be going to suppose 5,000, 10,000, 20,000, 50,000 people in the organizations, you will be always core members. Management never forget their core people. Remember this. You look at anywhere, they are all very close, including Reliance. If you look at the people associated when they have started, they are there in the chest. And Dhirubhai has told Anil and Mukesh both, these are the people started with me, they are remain with me, they have grown with me, they have changed the organization. So they are currently millionaires, all. Now this is very interesting coming to the subject. Change is unavoidable and it's permanent. Change is difficult, not changing is a fatal. Fatal means you cannot recover that. You have crossed the limit where nobody will hold your hand. I give you my example that in 2018, I am giving exam. 2018, I was 62 years old. I am giving exam at Jamnagar of my coaching session, that is International Coaching Federation USA. I attended 6 months. I invested 4 lakhs, 7 o'clock evening to night 12 o'clock, Saturday, Sunday full study, and this is an open book session and there is no question from a book. 8 hours, 1 exam, and I am giving exam, so I thought I should keep a memory of that, and still I am laughing and I could pass with very good percentage. When you see the proof is in my laptop. I have attended these classes what you are doing today in 2018 for more than, you can say, 4 to 5 hours daily 4 to 5 hours. Even my board meeting, once upon a time I requested board that I have a class. I have not deferred a single day class, and I was the person to join first in the class, and all 4 months. And entire team still remember me that I am the first person to join, I am first person to reply, and there was an automated process that if you interact, you will get a points. So my interaction was very, very high about coaching process. So what coaching I did, this is the life coach. Means anybody having the life issues, I can coach. Now this is an executive coach. What I am doing now in our organization, around 18 people are with me. Certified coach. Executive coaching means organizations related future leadership development, the development process, along with the life coaching. And this is certified organization development coach, means I can find out what is the health issue in the organization. And that is what we have done it, where we found out that time and quality is the 2 challenges, and that is coming out from skill. And skill development will resolve this issue. So this is not done abruptly. There is a scientific process I have learned, and that's the reason why I have came out with the solution. Now, next for me is, that is for you, is that learning is a journey, not a destination. Remember, what you will learn tomorrow get obsolete day after tomorrow. Keep learning. It is not a choice, but it is a compulsion. Even if you don't like It is life-saving medicine, I am telling you. This is a very, very strong message to everyone that learning is journey, not a destination. So it's a continuous process. Today, daily 1 hour I spend before sleep, otherwise I will don't go to sleep. 1 hour I spend on a learning. Behind me you can see the book. You can see the book. Now when I was reading the book, then I have gone to audiobooks. Now I am listening audiobooks, so I can read more books and more faster. But not on the bed, on the table. And I note down the points, some of the corrections, what I required in me, I am doing it even today. Now very interesting and funny picture. So you are able to see the buffalo? Type yes. You are able to see the goat over the buffalo? Yes, obvious. Now what is the goal of the goat? Goat goal is to eat grass or eat some of the leaves on the tree. Now what she has done, just see. She has taken a help of buffalo. Buffalo is helping because buffalo wants no issue because the goat is a very little weight. So she is meeting her objective through a process, and that process I wanted to tell you is what? See, we have a T lab, we have a management attitude to teach you, and you are there to learn. So don't forget that what is your objective. To meet your objective, find the way out, and there are always way available. Now goat also can roam around and run away because there is no grass available, but he could found out, and I have seen the goats are very intelligent, more than human beings, because human beings need a presentation to tell what is their objective. Goat doesn't need a presentation. Hope you understand. Happy Janmashtami to everybody, and if anybody has a question, you please let me know. So I am ending my presentation here, and I request each one of you, if anybody has a questions, you are most welcome. So Anil, it's over from my side.
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you for giving this nice and I can say your live journey presentation with educate us regarding the how to upgrade yourself on a daily basis, right? So it will help us a lot to learn so many things from your life journey as well as the individual. Yeah,
Yes.
Madhukan sir, have a question. Yeah, please, sir.
Now we need to identify the buffaloes. So
What is that?
teach us how to find out the buffaloes.
I'm not getting the point.
The goats are hungry. Goats in Texas
Yes.
are hungry. We need to find out the buffaloes. So help us to find out the buffaloes.
So the buffaloes are here, but goat has to climb. That's important. Everything is available. There is nothing in the life it is not available. Excuse makes me weak people actually. People should stop excuse. So people, you have to make a commitment that you will be now starting the learning course, whichever you have been identified through a process. You and your supervisor and the manager has found out that what are the area you have to develop the scheme. I want you should take an oath and write it down in the chat that I oath that I will do it. It means you will say yes, I will start learning and develop the new skill. Please do type yes. You are making a commitment to me as well as Brijesh and the management, and yourself is more commitment that you will be coming out as a model 2. That is, improved version like iPhone 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You have to keep improving. Thank you, friends. Anything, Brijesh, from your side, or anybody wants to say?
No, I think that was a perfect presentation, and all inputs are perfectly, aligned on the direction that we wanted to move forward, where the training is a key part entirely for everyone, and new technology learning is very important. So that learning is not only, organizational helpful, but it is for their personal growth as well. So it's a
So because once we are expanding, this is more required. Yeah, Brijesh. I think there is some challenge at his end. So friends, thank you very much for listening me. My first communications to everyone. Now Anil will be the focal point for training and development program. I expect your goal sheet to come in time, and use of T-Lab for tracking your training and development process is important. So Vaishali will keep giving the feedback about how many modules you have finished, how many hours, the time you have finished, what you have learned. And specifically, it's very important because we are growing. We don't want to remain with 150 people, no? I told you, we will be growing to hundreds and thousands numbers. If other IT company can have 2.5 lakh people, I tell you, my daughter working that company has 2.5 lakh people. So we are nothing in compared to that. So that is a scale we can go. So there is a unlimited opportunity, and IT is the only area which is growing all across the segment. All across the segment. There is no segment left out that which the IT doesn't require. So thank you, friends. Anil, now you can do the closing, and any instruction further need to be done. Over to Anil.
Thank you, sir. And I will coordinate with the Vaishali for the same, which you mentioned regarding the monitoring, the training, and everything program. Good. Thanks for your nice presentation, sir. And as a team, I just want to let you know that as I am the responsible of this training and self-accreditation program, I would expect your each and individual cooperation and your dedication to achieve that on a timely manner, right? And also, as we already discussed, we have to add all the training session or whatever the training session you are taking must add all this content, whatever it is, like if it is a reference link, it is a documentation kind, or it's a tutorial, whatever you are referring, just add into our LMS, right? So we will pass those information to the our new member who is joining to us, or it can be also helpful to the other people as well if he wants to learn something regarding that, right? So it will saves the both of us time, right? It will life your very easy, because it also decrease the induction training time for the new people, right? We can use that particular content for the new joining. We will provide them all those content access before he joined the organization, so he or she will be familiarized at the time of joining date, right? So it will helpful for us to boost up the things and like ramp up with the activity very quickly for the newcomers for with our organization, right? So I am expecting all the team members or my colleagues to start with your training and keep the and align with your schedule, right? I understand, and as Kishore sir mentioned that even though he has on the responsibility of directorial kind of kind of things and heading that thousands of people's plant, right? So even though they are spending that coaching session on a daily basis without failing, so I'm expecting the same kind of dedication and motivation from your all guys, and keep the updating on the LMS as well for the same on a daily basis, right? We will keep in touch on a like a weekly or as when required. I will keep in touch in any individual if any. And do you have any other concern regarding the training program and you are facing any difficulties? Please feel free to reach out to me. I am more than happy to resolve your conflicts or the issue, right? So I'm done from my end. Thank you, everyone, to being on this call, and it is a great. Looking forward to the great and huge success for the Texan family, right? And we keep looking forward for the exponential growth, as Sir has mentioned in their his PPT as well. So we will keep in mind and work hard to achieve that.
Thank you, friends, and happy Janmanastami to everyone. And
Yeah,
wish you
happy
all the best.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Anil. You can consider me as your resource.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
You can consider me as resource. I'm available all the time, round the clock, round the
Thank
year.
you. Thank you. So you are a backbone of our system.
Yeah, thank you everyone. Bye.
Yeah, thank you everyone. Happy Janmashtami. Bye.
Bye. Thank you, Brijesh.
Thank you.